Watch as I solve this integral using integration by parts. So I normally do the DI method, D for differentiation and I for integration, right? I'm going to differentiate e to the 3x and I'm going to integrate cosine of 4x. The first one is normally plus, next one is minus. Differentiating e to the 3x is 3e to the 3x. And integrating cosine of 4x is 1 over 4 sine of 4x. Let's do it again for the second time. Differentiating 3e to the 3x is 9e to the 3x. And integrating this 1/4 sine of 4x is going to be negative 1 over 16 cosine of 4x, because the integral of sine of 4x is negative 1 over 4 cosine of 4x, right? Now the shortcut is that when we are multiplying terms diagonally, we don't take the integral. But when we multiply terms horizontally, we have to take the integral, right? But when we multiply terms horizontally, we have to take the integral. So now this, our integral I is going to be equal to, the first diagonal term is going to be this times this, right? So that is going to be 1 over 4 e to the 3x, and then sine of 4x. Next one is this diagonal terms, this and this. When we multiply them, we have negative and negative, they'll become positive, right? So that is going to be plus 3 over 16 e to the 3x, and then cosine of 4x, like this. This one, you are done with the integration. You take the limits of integration from negative pi over 8 to positive pi over 8. And now, because we are now going to multiply terms horizontally, we have to take the integral. So that is going to be positive, and negative here is going to be negative. So minus the integral from pi over 8 to positive pi over 8 of 9 over 16, and then e to the 3x cosine of 4x dx. Cool stuff. I is going to be equal to, now let's plug in the limits now, shall we? This is going to be 1 over 4 e to the 3 pi over 8. I'm plugging in the upper limit, and then sine of 4x. 4 times pi over 8 is going to be pi over 2 plus 3 over 16 e to the 3 pi over 8, and then cosine of 4x. 4x is going to be pi over 2. That is 4 times pi over 8, which is pi over 2. This is the upper limit minus the lower limit. The lower limit is going to be 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 pi over 8, like this, and then sine of negative pi over 2 plus 3 over 16 e to the negative 3 pi over 8, and then cosine of 4x, which is negative pi over 2. Like this is the lower limit. And now minus this integral. So minus that integral is going to be 9 over 16 outside, the integral from negative pi over 8 to positive pi over 8 of e to the 3x cosine of 4x, and then dx. But you have to know that this one is I. The integral from negative pi over 8 to positive pi over 8 of e to the 3x cosine of 4x dx is I. So this integral is equals to I, right? So now let's evaluate the limits. This is going to be sine pi over 2, that's sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. That is 1 over 4 e to the 3 pi over 8 times 1 plus, this is cosine of pi over 2. Cosine of 90 is 0. And now we have minus this one, sine of negative pi over 2. Sine is an odd function, right? So sine of negative pi over 2 is negative 1. So that is going to be 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 pi over 8 times negative 1. And cosine of negative pi over 2 is going to be 0. So this one is going to be 0. Okay, now minus 9 over 16. This integral is the same as I. So this is I. Correct. So I is going to be equal to 1 over 4 e to the 3 pi over 8 plus 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 pi over 8 minus 9 over 16I. Can gather like terms, so this is I plus 9 over 16I will be equal to 1 over 4 e to the 3 pi over 8 plus 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 pi over 8. So adding this one is going to be 25 over 16I, and that is equals to 1 over 4 e to the 3 pi over 8 plus 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 pi over 8. Now I is going to be equal to 16 over 25, because we multiply here by 16 over 25, and we do the same thing here, 16 over 25. So 16 over 25, and then you can factorize 1 over 4 out, and this is going to be e to the 3 pi over 8 plus e to the negative 3 pi over 8, like this. 2 here, 2 here, 8. So this is going to be equal to 8 over 25, and then we are going to have e to the 3 pi over 8 plus e to the negative 3 pi over 8 all over 2. But what is this one? Now we'll look at this. We know that the cosine hyperbolic of x is the same as e to the x plus e to the negative x over 2. That implies that the cosine hyperbolic of 3 pi over 8 is the same as e to the 3 pi over 8 plus e to the negative 3 pi over 8 all over 2. So this one is going to be equal to 8 over 25 times this is the cosine hyperbolic of 3 pi over 8, which is the cosine hyperbolic of 3 pi over 8, and this is equal to 8 over 25, the cosine hyperbolic of 3 pi over 8. That is the answer to our integral. So when we go to the top, we see that that answer matches the answer I gave in the beginning, which is this one, right? So when we solve this one, this should be the answer to our integral, and this is just by using integration by parts. So that is how I can solve this integral. If you really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Calculus Diaries for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.